Hey, it's John with Erica and John Photography, and I'd like to introduce you to the Umbrella Travel Kit from Rogue Photographic Design. This kit's amazing. It's small, lightweight, even fits inside a day bag for a quick road trip, and it's built to be durable and stand the test of travel. Let me show you what's inside. Once we open it up, we're gonna find a 32-inch shoot-through umbrella. We're also gonna find a 38-inch white umbrella and some diffusion cloth. Now what's really great about these umbrellas, as I mentioned, they're durable. So no more bending and breaking of metal ribs that are not gonna stand up to the test of time. These are durable and they'll definitely last and stand up to travel. Now let me show you how you can attach the white diffusion fabric to the umbrella really quickly and easily. We're gonna insert the umbrella through the small opening in the diffusion fabric. We're gonna push it all the way through, center it up, and then we're just gonna open the umbrella. We've got the diffusion fabric attached. We're ready to put it on a light stand, add our light, and start shooting. This is a great compact system that I'm sure you'll enjoy.